Hello students, we are really very excited to announce our first open house with LPU. But you might wonder that what is this open house all about? Basically, we are discussing about placement, teaching pedagogy, infrastructure and other aspects of design education with very influential and important persons from LPU. So we are having with us Professor Bhaskar Mitra, who is Dean Fashion LPU, Professor Rajat Bhattacharya, who is actually placement head from LPU, and Assistant Professor Mr. Firoz. Many of you may have done workshop with him because in our channel earlier we have conducted workshop with LPU when Mr. Firoz was the host. If still you have not decided NIFT and you are waiting for NID, in between you can ask LPU that what you can get if you choose LPU over other colleges. Placement, teaching pedagogy, infrastructure, other facilities, hostel, many things जो शायद मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा या मेरे दिमाग में नहीं है, you can guide us better and you can guide other student also, so we can get a perspective, we can get a perspective of students, we can get a perspective of parents that what is the actual concern. बिकॉज हम लोग तो सिर्फ टीचिंग के बारे में बोलते रहते हैं, कैसे प्रिपरेशन लोग बोलते रहते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ें हम लोग बोलते रहते हैं, बट क्या आप लोग सोचते हो, आप लोग कहाँ पे अटक रहे हो, आप लोगों को क्या डाउट आ रहा है, ये आप लोग ही सबसे बेहतर एक्सप्लेन कर पाओगे. सो वी आर वेटिंग टू मीट यू इन आवर ओपन हाउस विच वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ LPU. लेटर ऑन विल कम अप दिस काइंड ऑफ ओपन हाउस विथ WED, will come up this kind of open house with UID, but this time on 25th of June we are coming up with LPU. And be ready with all your questions if you have any planning to join LPU this year, coming year. Also you will get some surprise announcement tomorrow. So see you tomorrow and don't miss this webinar. And to ask them live, you need to do one thing, you have to register because this program will be on Zoom and it might be live on YouTube that time, but questions जो भी है we will take it whoever live that time on Zoom. So register, you will get the link at the bottom in the description box and you can ask your questions. So see you tomorrow. Don't miss this opportunity if you are still confused that you should join LPU or not.